Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths. Today we're looking at a probability distribution as a function, and there are a few things that I need to explain. I think the first thing to say is that if you don't know what integration is, if you don't know how to find a definite integral, that maybe you should pull away from this and go and have a look at that. There are videos on this channel and there are plenty of resources about what that is. So, with that said, a probability distribution as a function entails continuous variables. Now, continuous variables, examples of which are things like height or weight or income, are variables that are not discrete. They're not like 1, 2, 3, 4. They encompass all the numbers, all the possible numbers between those, and so they are continuous. There are no gaps. Now, quite often, such a probability distribution is described by way of a function, function of x, whatever it might be. And if we were to draw a graph of one, what we might get is maybe something that looks like that. Possibly. I don't know. It could be much simpler than that. But one of the points to make is that the area under this curve, whatever it might be, whatever the function of this might be, the area under this curve is equal to 1, the total of all the probabilities. So if you were asked a question, what is the probability of an outcome between 2 and 3, what we're looking at is we're looking at the shaded region between 2 and 3 on this graph. And so in order to find that, what we have to do is we have to integrate whatever the function is and find its value between 2 and 3. And so the process for that is something that you would learn when you were doing definite integrals, but I'll just run through it now. So 3 is there, 2 is there, and its function of x, whatever that is, dx, telling us that we must anti-differentiate this function. What we do then is we put the value of 3 into it and we get a result. We put the value of 2 into it, we get a result, and we subtract the result of this from the result of this, and that gives us this area here, which is the probability of an outcome between 2 and 3 for this probability function distribution, which is expressed as a function. Okay, so those are the very basics. If this is mysterious, or even this is mysterious, maybe it's a good idea to have a look in calculus at definite integrals, anti-differentiation, that sort of thing. There will be a properly worked example of this in the playlist on probability, and so if you've managed to get your head around this or you understand this, go and have a look at that. Anyway, thank you for watching. That's all I wanted to achieve with this video. If you found it useful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.